with one. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. My name is Ditun Rajaja. Today I'll tell you a nice mocktail, passion fruit Lagoon mocktail. Very simple mocktail you can try. First of all, take a tall glass and then you have to add some ice cube into the tall glass. Then you have to squeeze on fresh lime. Okay. After that, actually you can keep on lemon slice also inside the glass. After that, you have to add lime syrup, 5 to 10 ml of lime syrup. Then you have to add passion fruit syrup, 15 to 20 ml of passion fruit syrup. After that, simply you have to fill the glass with Fanta. See, very simple mocktail actually you can try. Then you have to stir the drinks with the help of, okay, mix the drinks and you can add some more Fanta. After that, simply you have to add blue cocoa syrup from the top of the. See how the color came, very fancy color. You can try. Then you can garnish with garnish umbrella and you have to serve with one straw. Your mocktail is ready. This is the passion fruit Lagoon mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video.